Hey everyone, there's a reason why we say home sweet home most of the time. Now, a few years back, my husband and I sold our house in the peninsula and bought a house here in Corona Del Mar. Now, the only thing, and I mean the only thing we liked about our house was the location. It needed so much work. The first thing though that bothered me the most was the staircase. Now, this is a new staircase. I'm going to tell you what went down, but our original staircase literally went out to about here. Now, if you notice when I opened the front door, there was barely even any room for the door to clear the staircase. So I thought, how in the heck did that even get past the city? I have no idea. So we searched around and tried to find someone to help us to build a staircase, which was a major challenge. We'll talk about that later. But here's what we had. Now, our house was built in the 1980s, so this staircase and everything was majorly circa 1980, which I don't really like. This staircase was wrought iron, ugly carpet, a lot of curlicues on the balusters. I just didn't like it. Here's the other thing. There was also a safety factor involved. Now, the average tread on a staircase, or excuse me, the average depth is about 11 inches. So our stairs literally stopped here. My husband and I almost fell several times. So we had this rebuilt. Now that's accurate, of course. Also, the height of a staircase should be between 7 3/4 inches and 8. It was like 9, so I can't believe we didn't fall on these staircase at all. So anyway, we finally had this staircase rebuilt, but here's the thing. The way it turns, using a wrought iron piece, I guess, for the railing was apparently easy, but I wanted all of this done in wood. So now look at this. When we walk upstairs, this is a huge challenge though. We actually had to have a stair company come out, and the guy came out and actually did a CAD drawing on the floor to make sure he built this properly, and to take care of the fact that the stairs were landed so close to the front door. We found out the problem was there was too many stairs on the staircase itself. There were 15 stairs, now they're down to 13. So I'm telling you, this was a major challenge, but we finally got it handled. And you know, it's not like enjoying a couch that you sit on that's beautiful, but I'm so grateful for the staircase. Now, I feel like we have a normal staircase. It looks more of the coastal vibe with it being the wood and the white. And I have to give a huge shout out to Straight Upstairs. Now, Straight Upstairs is located down in Laguna Beach. They're the ones who built this staircase, so thank you so much. Once again, if you have any challenges with your house or things that you've accomplished, let me know.